said, "Don't you hide in your scared little chimney." The faucet drips madness down an orange drain. Sometimes I know I'll never see him again. All light and all pinwheels. In the summer we were rabbits, and the grass was higher than our ears. One night you got stuck in the boiler room, and I was so scared. In those days we could see so far. With your beak you brought me beads on strings. Sometimes the sandstorms would cover my steps as we sat on the porch and talked about Jesus. Well, I don't know about Jesus Christ, but I don't care who his father was. We are all somebody's father's kid. We are all somebody's father's kid. But none of us did what our fathers did. And in the winter when first you came, I tried so hard to keep the shadows from marching up between the planks. I wanted to be your old oak tree. That's what you were to me. So I held my breath to keep the summer in, to keep the sun from its yearly flight, until my walls quaked and I knew I would die. Finally let go and watch the light scatter. And in the attic I was a field mouse. Gone, I shredded the newspapers with my teeth and waited. And in the spring I was a gingham dress, and in the fall I was a girl who wore it. I hated the flowers that grew on the fence where you landed, because like them I grew high for you. And you got no need for tables and chairs or the yellow refrigerator rusted shut. When the pipes called your name and burst in sorrow, no one came. The waves faded to dust. And when you are gone, I will still be here. And when I am gone, I will still be here. In the live young squirrels across my linoleum, or the field mouse waiting for the beat of wings. The attic is above my head. I hope you come back like you said, because the attic is above my head, and I've prepared in your honor a newspaper bed. And like the flowers in the spring, I glean and I think just one thing, that it doesn't matter who his father was. We are all somebody's father's kid. Belief gets bigger than the thing believed. I remain for the sight of your flight relieved, oh soul. But unlike the flowers in the spring, I want nothing from you except one thing. Except, come home. Except, come home, come home. Except, come home.